So, the least anticipated part of cooking is washing dishes and utensils. And surprisingly, very few people know about the right or the safe cleaning agent for washing dishes. From my observation, at least in Ghana, people indiscriminately use any kind of soap they may lay their hands on to wash dishes. Their main lookout is anything that readily lathers with water. Now, this practice can pose health issues for them because not every kind of soap is safe to wash dishes with. So, what kind of soap do you need to wash your dishes with? Let's find out.
Let us first address the use of laundry detergent to wash dishes. So, laundry detergent on dishes is a big no. Why? A laundry detergent contains several intrusive or harsh chemicals to remove stubborn stains and give nice smells to clothes. As a result, it is practically difficult to completely rinse off those extracts from surfaces. Those chemicals are bound to create health issues if they end up in the body. Dish soaps. Commonly, the ideal cleaning agent for dishes are the various brands of dish soaps we have in stores. Those are rightfully made for washing dishes and utensils. Most importantly, the chemicals used are easily rinsed off with water. Though dish soap does not kill germs, it rounds them up so they can be expelled through rinsing. So, it is safe to use dish soap. The alternative to dish soap is the regular bar soap we all know of. Regular bar soap without extracts or additives to give fragrance or nice smells and kill germs is equally safe to wash dishes with. Bar soap can also be used to wash dishes because its residuals are easily rinsed away. So, for washing dishes, dish soap and bar soap are the only safe options to consider. Dish soap is more effective, especially with oil stains. However, bar soap can also get the job done with little hassle with oil stains.
Though laundry detergent easily lathers with water and is harsh on oil stains, it does not belong on dishes and utensils. So, thank you for watching. If I have fed your curiosity, be sure to share this video with others to spread the awareness. And as usual, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this very one. So, thanks once again, and I hope to see you in the next episode. Bye.